Welcome back to TIMTOS 2025. We're here on the TMT Taiwan stand, Taiwan Machine Tools, and you've got a lathe to show us here. What's special about this lathe, Lydia?
Okay, for this lathe, it's a boxway, and with CSS, Y-axis. The Y-axis is true Y-axis. Compared to others, they are use X-axis and Y-axis to compete together as a Y-axis. That one is a fake one, but for us, it's a 90-degree true Y-axis, only one motor to drive it.
Yeah, it's really interesting. Normally, sometimes you see like a really weird double angle thing going on with the Y-axis. This is fully orthogonal, perpendicular,
Yes,
90 degrees.
fully 90-degree.
And this got a few different awards from I guess the government
Yes.
in Taiwan.
Yes,
Why
Taiwan
did it receive
Excellent.
why did it receive these awards? And is that something that happens quite a lot for a company like yours?
Okay, because we received this two award from our Taiwan government because they have checked everything, no matter it's the structure or the energy saving stuff. Yeah, that's why they gave us to have the qualify as a Taiwan Excellent.
Brilliant.
Award.
When you say energy saving,
Yes.
what have you done and why?
For us, we do frequency inverter, and also we can calculate the consumption of the energy to save the world,
Yeah.
to get the environment better.
Okay, fair enough. And
Yeah.
that's why you've done it? I guess have you done it more as the pressure from customers to try and improve the energy consumption of machinery as well?
Yeah, government hope to get the world better, so we are try to achieve everything what we can do to save the energy.
Brilliant. So interesting lathe construction and with extra energy saving. That's from TIMTOS here at 2025.